Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to play against yourself on the chess.com app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the chess app on a phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Now, once on your home page, at the bottom, tap the play button. This is where you can choose different ways to play. Now, click on more and here you can see an option that says play in person. Tap on that. Now, pick the type you want to play, standard or custom setup or chess 960. After that, hit start. Once the board's open, you can make a move for white, then tap on the board again and simply make the move for black. You are in full control of both sides, like playing against yourself. You can also undo moves, reset the board, or save the game for later. This is perfect if you want to practice strategy without the pressure of a timer. And that's it. Now you know how to play against yourself on chess.com app using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.